G'day trendsetters. I've just brought you up here this afternoon into what I would consider the beating heart of my veggie garden. This is where I do all my composting. As I've mentioned in other videos, I like to use the Gedye composting system. I just like its versatility and it works well for my situation here. But I'll just turn this around and I'll show you. Up until now, I've had these three monsters. That's 1, 2, 3, which are 400 litre Gedye bins, and this last bloke here, which is a 220 litre compost bin. But I have been moaning on a little bit about not being able to produce enough compost for my needs. I want to move more to a no-dig gardening situation, and for that I need more compost. So I can't, with these three bins, can't quite produce enough. So I bit the bullet, not the weekend gone, but the weekend before, and I bought that one, brand new, 85 bucks, which I was pretty pleased with. And at the moment, this one is fairly full. It's about 3/4 full. This one's about half full. This one is pretty full. They've all settled in the last week, which is what they do. But what's got to happen now is that this bin has to go in to that bin. That bin has to go into this bin because I sort of skipped a step. And that bin, wait for it, because this happened the weekend just gone. It rained Saturday, so I'd sort of sitting around inside Saturday surfing through Facebook, and I ended up on the Facebook marketplace, and I clicked over, and you wouldn't believe it, but a bloke was selling 3 more for 100 bucks. They're all 400 litre bins. I've already started working on this one. There's a bit in there. And that second bin that second bin back there, I will dig it out and it will go in to this bin as well. So what will happen now is that as I empty those bins, I will bring them up into this little area here. This, unfortunately, is an ex-chook pen. I think you over in North America, you might call them hens. But due to an unforeseen set of circumstances, I lost my chooks. I also had a couple of little ducks, which I missed dearly. They used to just quack and squawk and not make a lot of noise, but they always made noise. And every time I was working, because the veggie garden sort of is around the outside of the chook pen, and they were always making noise. So, but I missed them. But for now, I'm going to turn this into the compost area. So what I'll do is set them up in a row, and from week 1 to the end will be about 7 weeks. So I think now, if I can keep up enough raw materials to go in each week, I will have more than enough Gedye bins to make more than enough compost. So rather excited about that. And did I say they only cost 100 bucks for the 3 of them? So I paid $85 for a brand new one and 100 bucks for 3 second handies. So compost here at the veggie garden now shouldn't be an issue, apart from finding enough raw materials to put in the Gedye bins to get them started. But I've got plenty of places I can get. I've got all my friends at the moment collecting all their vegetable scraps from the kitchen for me. I can pick up the odd bag of horse manure on the way home. So, look at the exposure on that. So exciting times. But like I said, these ones here, as I empty them, I'll move them up the back in the chook pen. This little one, this little 220 litre one, I'm kind of toying with the idea of turning that somehow into a worm farm. I think if I can make a base that it sits in, a bit like the bottom of a shower recess, and set it in that, and then it can drain and I can collect the wormweed, so I can make a little worm farm out of that. And anytime I want worm castings, I can just lift the bin off and scrape a bit away from the bottom and put the whole lot back in again. But that's it. I just wanted to share that with you. Oh, there's my pink wall. Hang on, I'll turn this back around. Yeah, that's it. I just wanted to share the new acquaintances, if you like. 4 new Gedye bins on top of the 3, plus the little 221 that used to be storage. So 8 Gedye bins. Let's see how we go. It's going to be fun, and it's going to be a challenge to keep finding enough raw materials to fill it. Hopefully you enjoyed that, and you would consider subscribing to the channel and liking this video. Share it with your friends. It's all helps to making the channel grow, so I can keep making videos like this one. And if you ever considered, oh, I'm walking in between the washing and the clothesline here. If you've ever considered getting yourself a Gedye bin, I'd highly recommend them. They really do a good job in a small backyard situation. If you haven't got a big enough space or room to do the more traditional, if you like, composting methods. So there you go. Cheers. Thanks for watching.